All right, guys. Today I have this iPhone 12 Pro Max clear case. That's also MagSafe. I just got this package yesterday, and I just took it out of his postal package, and I'm just gonna give you a quick review and overview of this item and see how it goes. So basically, this is the packaging. It came in this plastic cover from Apple. All right, let's throw this out. So pretty much this is the clear case packaging right here. It's about a 50 some dollar case. Focus, man. It's a iPhone 12 Pro Max clear case. Man, this is for rich people. What am I doing buying these expensive cases? I should have bought some $10 bootleg case from Amazon, but hey, I think I was asleep. I didn't pay attention to this, but it's expensive. Yeah, I guess these things are. I bought this because I don't have money to buy the brand new iPhone Pro Max. Those are for rich people. At least I can play with the case like a broke person should do. That's what I'm doing right now, playing with a case. I can't buy the real phone. Damn it. Let's see, let me open this. It's impossible. I'm using my one hand to unbox because I don't have a tripod to hold this thing. So here we go. Here's the case. Nice. What in the world is this? Okay, so this is the case. That's the front. That's the case. All right, let me take it out of there. Wow. It feels really good in the hand. Nothing in the package, nothing else in the package, some information and some nonsense. So it feels really good in the hand. It's really soft. A little bit of hard flex. It looks like some kind of coating. It's really smooth. Texture is really smooth. I like this case. Look at this. There's volume buttons right here. There's a huge cutout for your camera, and power button right here. Oh, you know what? Why that is a huge? Why couldn't they just cover it up and make some holes? So if you drop your phone, your phone's gonna get damaged from the bottom. Why do they have to cut it open like this here? God damn it, Apple! Come on. And another thing, this case is amazing. What is this white thing in the center? The ugliest thing that I've seen. Beautiful clear case, and they decide to put this ugly ass. So I was saying, why would you put this white thing in the center? It looks so ugly. The whole purpose of buying a clear case was getting a freaking clear case, and look at this, a white. Actually, it looks like a Q. Is it a QAnon conspiracy nonsense? Is that what it is? I don't know. I shouldn't maybe say that, but it looks like a Q. Look, kind of looks like a Q, but why does it has to be a white ugly thing in the center? Who cares about the MagSafe? It's slow charging anyways. I'd rather use my plug-in charge to charge it faster. But god damn it, leave it for the other chargers if you want a MagSafe. But I guess they decided to put this white thing in the center, and it's a magnet. It can feel this is like a paper material here. But $59, $54, $55 for this. How much is it? Like 50 some dollars for this case. Oh my god, it's very expensive. Yeah, I guess I can only afford to buy a $55 case. That's it. After buying this, you won't have money to buy your iPhone because the case is so expensive. I hope it protects people's phone. And this damn circle. Why, Apple? Why do you have to do that? Damn it. Otherwise, case looks dirty, but again, it's missing a part in the basement. What? There's so many things wrong with this case. You know what? This case is uh should return it. Should return the stupid case. You should try it, play with it, and buy some better case from Amazon. But you know what? I wanna like this case. It's a very well built case, and people say that it doesn't yellow frequently as the other cases, but man, that the white that ruins the look. But anyway, and then the missing part on the bottom. That's all I have to say about this Apple Clear case. Apple iPhone 12 Max Pro Jesus case, whatever.